First of all, I would like to pay gratitude to the presidents of Sri Lanka who opened the country to have a very big team to welcome us from America, Vietnam, France, Thailand, to come here for the Walk for Peace, and also the missions of receiving the Buddha relics, the sapling of the Bodhi trees, to bring to the United States the first time ever in the history of Sri Lanka and America. This is a blessing for us. We are very grateful for this opportunity to take a short walk, 6 days of walking in Sri Lanka, the sacred land of the Buddha as well. Even though it's a very short walk, but I believe with this tremendous support from the Sangha, from the government, and from all the people in Sri Lanka, we will bring peace to this country and around the world. Who's in here that not like peace, doesn't like peace? We all love peace, right? We are looking for peace, right? Tomorrow is our walk begins, or the morning of tomorrow, the next days. We'll start walking. And I do have one simple request. It is so important for this walk to make a big impact. It's because of the silentness of the walk, that all the venerable monks walk in silence and sometimes greet the people along the road, but we don't make any noise. We mindfully walk, mindful on our footstep and on our breathing. And then when we come to the lunch area and then the night rest, we deliver a speech with the people, with the crowd. But other than that, we respectfully ask all civilians, YouTubers, TikTokers, and media not to follow us every step, every corner, every road, to be sure that this peace walk will make a big impact to the people. The bigger the crowd walking without mindfulness, it will create a chaos. I know that there will be a lot of people, supporters wanted to offer something like even a bottle of water or a piece of candy to the venerable monks. But we have to be mindful when we offer as well. Please do not push each other. Do not try to touch the monk. Do not try to touch ALOKA. And do not try to squeeze the monk to the corner, because when we walk on the road, there will be a lot of people on the side of the road, and then we don't have any more space to walk on. And so be respectful and be careful with all that to cultivate merits for ourselves.